Hi, this is Carrie from Spotlight. So the purpose of this video is just to give a brief overview on how Hubdoc works. So this is for clients that have previously been using Dex, and due to the price increases, Hubdoc is a more cost efficient option. Hubdoc is a free piece of invoice scanning software, invoice automation software that Xero supply. It has a few limitations in comparison with Dex. The main one being is there isn't the connections, so it won't log into Amazon, builders, merchants, mobile phones, and automatically download those invoices. You can integrate it to G Drive and Dropbox. So if you save all your invoices in one folder, it will automatically import them for you. And again, very similar to Dex, there is an app that you can take pictures of and it will upload. I'll do the app in a separate video. So how do you get invoices into Hubdoc? Well, first you click on upload. If I just clear these items. So you can email and you can copy your Hubdoc email address there. So if you've got invoices that come straight into your inbox, you can forward that in. There's the app. And then similar to Dex, you can drop and go. So I've got, for example, this Travis Perkins bill. I'm using my husband's data. But yeah, I've got the Travis Perkins bill. There's a number of invoices on one document. So you need to click multi-page PDF split for that and just drag and upload. You can browse through your PC if you need to. And if you can see here on the left hand side, it is splitting the invoices in separately as it's going. Then you can upload single documents. So if I just select all these here, you can drag and drop. Okay. On the folders here, you've got the ones that it's processing, ones that are ready to review and go into Xero, ones that have failed, and ones that have archived. I've got a failure there from me messing about earlier. So if we're going to review, if we go to Travis Perkins here, it will pull out the supplier, the invoice number, the date, the total amount, and the VAT separately there. What you have to do for each supplier when you start using Hubdoc, a bit like when you did Dex, is you have to save a configuration into Xero. So this is what used to be supplier preferences in Dex. So I'll click auto sync. I'm going to publish as a draft awaiting payment, and here you can search for your contacts within Xero. If there isn't one, you can add as a contact within Travis Perkins. You can add multiple lines to this at this point if you want to. And then at that point, we've saved purchase awaiting payment. I always put awaiting payment because then it doesn't sit as a draft invoice. The only time that you should really use draft awaiting approval is if you've got an authorization process within your company. So for example, somebody might upload the invoice, then somebody else might approve the invoice for payment, and then somebody else might make the payment. So you've got segregation of duties there with 3 people, but in most cases with our clients, it is the same person. Well, they've either already paid for the goods on their card, or it's the same person that is uploading and making the payments. I'm going to click single line here. At this point, you need to choose the account code within Xero. You can allocate it to a customer if you want, and you can put your own description in. And then I am going to click publish. that's now published. So again, what's happened with the next one, if you look, it has saved the configuration from the previous one. So if we publish all, publish this one again, the next one is Wix. Same as again, we have to configure, so we click to auto sync. It's the purchase, we want to go to awaiting payment. Again, Wix won't be set up, so we need to add Wix as a new content and create. What I would do at this point is I would refresh the page, because there is a bit of a glitch with this that I've found. Auto sync, awaiting payment, and Wix again. Line item single. I'm going to put this to cost of goods sold, and then publish. And that has purchased through. In review, we've got Wix. Again, it's picked it up from the previous one, and we click publish. Tool station, create again, so into purchase, awaiting payment. Cost of goods sold, and then publish. Okay. Screw fix again, sorry, you need to auto sync, purchase, awaiting payment. I'm just going to close these, sorry. Purchase, awaiting payment. Contact is Electrifix. Choose cost of goods sold and publish. And then what I've done is I've created a zero account just to show how it works, and you can see how these ones that have uploaded match through to your bank reconciliation. It's got £98.32 coming through, and that has all reconciled off as it's all publishing. And again, if you go into business and bills to pay, you can see here, like with Wix for example, this is how it imports in Xero, and it uploads a photo of the invoice as well. So hopefully that should give you a basic overview on how to use Hubdoc. It is a bit more clunky than Dex, but obviously it is still quite efficient and quite a useful tool to use.